The following actions and stunts in this video are skits performed by professionals. Do not under any circumstances attempt to replicate anything viewed in this video as it may result in injury or legal penalty. The Test Dummies channel does not promote or encourage the use of substances or involvement in any other illegal activities. Please, enjoy the video.
Wait, which one's that?
They're on the right.
Run! Aaron, let's calm down,
drunk.
please.
You're drunk.
Nah, you're drunk.
Nah, you're drunk.
Why did I just get wet?
Why is that in my? It's in my ear hole.
Don't get my chair.
No, that's in my ear hole. That's hectic. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that right now.
No.
I'm innocent.
Hold the gun up for a tough.
Wait, I'm actually sober right now. I got water in my ear.
You got water in my car.
Because I got high. Because I got high.
What is that?
Hey, is that a spaceship? Is that a spaceship?
What happened? Why are you drunk? Fuck off, cunt. Fuck off. Who's that? Is that Ethan?
It's Lucky.
Lucky, I love you.
Lucky, who's that? Is that you?
No, you're drunk.
Overexposure is crazy. Kind of cold.
okay.
What's kind of cold? Must be the weather.
Nah, you're drunk.
I know.
Excuse me.
Dance for me, bitch. Dance for me.
I have the energy in me to shake my
Dance
shit
for me.
right now.
Oh. Oh shit.
Oh, sorry, I had to turn.
Did I say you could stop?
Full of liquor, then you die. Fuck off.
Are you having some lettuce? Where'd you get that from?
Let's just rejoice. Oh shit. Hold on, can we get the lighting in the movie? Shit. Double bite? Oh, double bite? Yeah. He's in my arsehole. They're fucking in the swag, and they pull their tent pole apart and collapse the swag on them.
Nah, you're drunk. Are you fucking serious, cunt? Aaron, put that fucking back now. Aaron, put it back up. Eiffel Tower.
Oh, hold on, I can't help it. Guys, I'm gonna come, please.
Oh, I'm coming. Get off! Get off!
I'm just cleaning my plates,
Hey! Logan, put the sign up.
You guys got your pants off?
Yes? Oh, you fucking idiot.
Guys, I don't think your tent's comfort.
Are you serious? Dude, put the fucking swag back up. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Let me see that little.
Trying to go to fucking sleep.
Nah, no, you're not. We know you're shagging in there.
Hey, can you put it back up though? This is hella uncomfortable.
Can you please put it back up?
Right, come on, reconstruction, let's go. Oh shit.
Took it apart.
You can get that one, Ethan.
Oh, it's erect.
It's not really supposed to come apart this way. It's like...
You got that, buddy. You can't just leave. I don't really know how this goes together.
Are you fucking serious?
For the record, Lockie took it apart and he
Wait.
just walked
Fuck off.
What do you mean, fuck off? No, it wasn't!
didn't take any of it apart, and I'm putting it back together.
Yeah. You're a fucking goddess, cunt.
I know. I only.
What's a slang for? Joint?
Did you pick that burger off the floor?
No, what the fuck?
That's gonna rip. You rip it. Oh.
What I said would happen.
Get him! Get him!
Away from my fucking swag before I beat your fucking ass.
Ashton, it's Lockie.
Dude, I've literally been over
No, he hasn't.
I swear to fucking God.
John's got video
I'll
evidence.
stab
I have
you in
video-
the fucking neck with my keys.
Oh. He's gonna kill you with the gets.
You're gonna get killed by Yeti.
That's actually like my worst nightmare.
Ashton, are you okay, kitten?
What's this slang for? Is it a cone or is it a joint?
It's a joint.
It's a joint or a split.
Damn, why has he got strong grip all of a sudden?
Is he actually just passed out?
No, he's alright.
It's like a bomb.
Ashton, what's
Yeah,
the
that's cool.
How do I get out this bitch?
It's like semi.
Hey!
Oh, he's awake.
Good morning! Good morning! That's my dick. Good morning!
What the fuck? You're not getting pegged in the ass right now.
Hello?
Nice go.
Why is it so bright? What's going on?
Ashton's just actually just hotboxing the whole swag.
Hello? Fucking hell. Did he actually snap it?
Yeah, he's fucking snapped it.
What a fucking dick.
I'm sorry, he snapped what?
Nothing, don't worry.
What the fuck? What did you snap?
Your butthole.
Hey, Buzz.
What did you snap, Lockie?
Who?
You! What
The
did you
other guy
fucking
named
snap?
Rocky, dickhead.
Alright, I'm going back into hibernation. Good night.
I'm going back to the fucking fire.
Out you come then, mate. Oh, shit.
No, where your pants at?
Okay, that's sexual assault.
It's not.
I don't think he's liking that. I don't think he is.
He does not look happy.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Hug it out.
Wait, if I hug you,
Okay, don't. Maybe just leave him. Leave Lockie. 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 Leave him. Here we go, champ. Let's just.
I do love you though, Ashton.
You got the vape? You got the vape? Just take a hit from your vape.
Fuck did my fucking car keys go?
I
Stab
have
you in
video-
the fucking neck with my keys.
Oh.
Stab me with this cat's keys.
I lost my fucking car keys.
Well, you gonna, you
Oh no, you can't stab him.
Wait, yeah, there you
Right
go.
there.
Oh, stabbing time.
Lockie, I'd stop
Stabbing
running,
time. I'll
mate.
stop running, mate.
That's a phone.
That's not a car
that's
car
not
keys.
car
It's
Those aren't car keys.
21:13.
No.
Can you read the time?
It's 9:13.
It's actually not funny. I really struggled with reading the clock
Come and give two
till like
fucks.
the third grade. Oh. Can you guys just have a threesome?
Nah, right here, cunt.
Oh. No.
No, please, for the love of God, please.
Oh.
I give up.
Just get off. Get off.
No, never.
Never. That's my butthole. I'm gonna start hitting you.
No, you won't.
Get out of my butthole.
I'm not
Get
in your butthole.
Get out.
What is?
Get out of my butthole. Get out of my butthole. Help. Help, I'm running a big vape. Help. Help. No. No.
Oh,
He's in my butthole.
oh. I'm almost done. Just stop. I'm almost done.
He's got a white shirt on, bro.
Go in full guard, bro.
Oh. Can we stop?
Take your shoe and I'll stop it. Dude, you don't think you're gonna fucking try me? Sure.
Oh my gosh. Can we stop? Please stop. Get the fuck off me.
Let go of my arms.
Get up!
I'm fucking trying. You're in my guard. I'm in your guard.
A nice brown shirt, bro.
Yeah, I know. That adds to the.
Oh. That's what I signed up for.
Why is that for?
I can't believe you've done this.
I can't believe you've done this.
Can we just hug it out? Oh, he's come back
I'm trying to hug it out.
Oh, okay. You're...
Why are you
that's
actually
a-
trying to... No, stop.
Don't resist. It's just worse if you resist. It's worse if you resist. Don't resist.
No.
DJ that shit.
You're a bit high.
You got Delta vagina?
Only your mum's, mate. Yeah. Or was it your dad's? I got confused.
Oh, he's coming out.
Oh, he's out of the closet with his Leslie band.
Good morning.
Matching nasal strips.
Why are you in such a shit mood in the mornings?
Oh.
It's Saturday, you guys. Just get excited.
He just gets up when he's on his period.
On his period. He's always on his period.
Yeah. It's alright. It's just those puberty hormones, hey, mate?
Hold your camera up. You're a fucking shit cameraman.
Well, that's why I'm not the official cameraman, eh?
Who's the official cameraman?
I don't know.
Oh, I should have collapsed his tent while he was sleeping.
Yeah. It's alright, there's another night. Giggity giggity, good morning. Hide around the blind corner, going right across the road.
Check it out more.
Oh, fuck. I reckon they'll get up it. Yeah, I reckon I'm game enough to try that.